I can't open the tank lid on my karcher steam cleaner.
Hi, thank you for contacting JustAnswer.com. My name is Russell. I will do my best to provide the right answer to your question. Do the following, step by step, to solve the problem. Switch off the heater on the steam cleaner. Switch on the steam feed, on maximum, to release the pressure. Operate the switch on the handle, until the cap/cover can be released. If it never releases, despite cooling down etc., your steam cleaner has a problem, and the first thing to ask is, how old is it? If still within warranty, service performed on it to fix a problem ought to be free of charge.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.